right, hey YouTube, Joshua Mathis with Clean King here. Just wanted to jump on for a few minutes to go over ways to get leads into your business. So often, people I meet with who are, either new or seasoned business owners are struggling to get leads, and honestly, it's not that hard. It's really not, but I think it starts with just something internally with your belief system. And something's wrong there that's causing you to believe it's difficult, to believe you're not capable of getting new leads. So I just want to use two options here, two of my favorite options, because it took me from being broke to be able to feed myself and to be able to have nicer things. Is these two methods here of getting new leads, because they're only require your time. They don't require much money, versus just needing a few nice pair of clothes and also needing a cell phone that works. Now with these two methods here, as long as you have that, it's just only going to take your time, your determination, and you to really focus and have some courage. So the first way is, if you look at one of my most recent videos, I was talking about cold calling. Still a phenomenal way to get business. If you think about it, if you set a goal to make, let's say just 30 calls Monday through Friday, that's 130 calls to 150 businesses per week. If you do that every single week for the rest of the year, I mean, there's no question that you're going to bring in new business. Even if you're the most timid, non-creative, caller that there is, you're still going to have at least a few people that are going to bring you in and are going to hire you, just because you caught them at the right time, just because you're somebody who was bold enough to call them. And many people are lazy. They don't want to go out looking for cleaners. They don't want to be searching online. Like, if someone calls their phone and they call them at the right time, they're all in. It's happened to me a couple of times. I've hired people, or been hired from calls over the phone, where companies called me and I went ahead and moved forward with them. And also I've hired people looking for jobs who've been bold enough to call my phone, and I give them employment because they're ready to. They called me and they called at the right time. So jumping on the phone, as long as you're doing it consistently and you're building confidence, because with taking action, confidence is going to come. You no longer have an excuse to not be getting business. Now, of course, some people, I don't even like calling, and there's other people, of course, I know you don't like calling, but it's not what you don't like. We need to get your business growing. We need to get your community, every single business should know that you're there as an option, because you called them at least once or twice. So that takes some courage. That takes some patience, but it's going to be better that at least within this next year, you've gotten a few more businesses in, versus still just dreaming about growing your cleaning business. So one option is to say, look yourself in the mirror and say, this is over with. From now on, I'm going to call businesses every single day, at least 20. If you're desperate like I was, you got to jump that up to 100 businesses a day, and just do it. Just commit to it. Just do it. Believe in yourself. Continue to train yourself. Continue to, make sure you're investing time into learning how to better do the skill, and do it. Stop listening to all this nonsense online saying, you can get, they can get, remote cleanings, and they get it for you and all this nonsense. Stop believing that. Own up and start, doing this part of your business on your own. What's going to happen is, now you're finally having some revenue, and if you do your cash flow correctly, now you're able to reinvest into your business, and then now you're able to do some cooler things. Maybe you want to bring on someone else to do it. Maybe you want to invest into some online things. But now, at the least, you started something. You have some revenue coming in, and you can start doing greater things in your company. So that's one, cold calling. The second option you have, which is my favorite, honestly. It's just I can't do it as much anymore because of the responsibilities I have. So I have to put other people to do it. Is going door to door. Like if you're like me, you love meeting people, and you're able to strike a conversation and be interesting or be someone that someone would want to listen and learn a little bit more about. Go ahead and go door to door. Find some high quality prospects, some people that you would really like to work with, and go meet them. I've done it without business cards. I've done it without tons of things that people feel like they need. You just got to show up, let them know that you're interested in helping them. Make sure you do know how to help them. That's another thing I think where people's confidence does not show because they truly don't believe they're great at the work they do, and that's another problem. You have to fix that first, but we'll save that for another time. But if you know you're great at what you do, go in there and just vision yourself, getting that contract and being able to help them, and knowing that you can give them either better service or a better price or offer something better to them. And go in there and communicate that in your body language, communicate that and in your vocals, communicate that, in your content and whatever you send over to them. And boom, there you go. You helped them out and now they're helping you out and you're adding revenue to your company. So all you have to do is go visit these places. Go. Don't pass out any, kind of crazy looking fits all flyers that, they probably have already seen all the time or just doesn't even make any sense. Make sure if you're gonna pass out some content, have something valuable in there for them. Hey, your first cleaning is free, or take if you're talking to an apartment complex, for example, or if you're going to a pizza shop, let them know you are the cleaning expert for pizza shops, or let them know if we don't show up, we don't pay. Like, have something appealing in your content that you leave with them. Don't just leave something that is gonna just blend right in, and it's just crazy that they're like, why is this person even leaving this, and you never get any calls back. So if you're visiting or if you're calling, have a strong follow-up game. I look at it like when I used to date. When I DM females or, when we go somewhere, like I'm following up, and it always worked out. They always knew that I was serious about them, and, eventually I would get what I was needing. So it's the same way in business. There's so many other businesses out there trying to do things. So you need to make sure that you're following up with them. Make sure that when the opportunity does come, you're top of mind. So look, just wanted to send that. Just wanted to upload this because I've had many people tell me they're struggling with leads. And these are very easy, simple, inexpensive ways that if you look back six months from now and you do these simple things here, your business will definitely have grown. Even if you've added just one account, in this space, commercial cleaning, if you had one account for $3K, that's what, 12 months, 12, 20, that's 36,000 into your business, and 3K is very easy to get. So with that, take it, go put it into action. Set a goal, whether it's 50 calls, 20 calls, 100 calls a day, and commit to it. And watch how your business changed. Come back and comment on this video. Let me know how it did change your business. Let me know if you do have any questions about how to go about these things, and I'll do my best to help you. But if you're watching this video, this is your season for your cleaning business to truly grow, for you to start being seen great. Like, I feel it. God's been connecting me with people who are truly, genuinely looking for help, and those are the kind of people I like working with and helping them hit their goals. So if you're coming across my page, I know God sent you for a reason, but you need to go out and take action. Stop sitting back. Stop watching every single video and not doing anything about it. This is your season to do something about it. Look, God bless. Keep going.